The name of the topic is After 20 Years. The title After 20 Years suggests some kind of suspense. That is, it is not clearly known that what is 20 after 20 years and what happened after 20 years, but what had been happened before 20 years. This is the suspense. Anyway, I am going to introduce after 20 years that there were two friends, that Bob and Jimmy Wells. They were too intimate to each other, and in their childhood, they played together, they dined together, and they spent their times together only. But when they arrived at the age of adult, once upon a time, they took dinner in a certain restaurant that is called Brady's restaurant. When they were taking their dinner, they took a strong decision that they would go into separate direction to make their way or to construct their future. And after 20 years, they would come back to the particular place at particular time, and they would inform to each other what they had done previously during the span of 20 years. The moral of this story is the personal relationship or the devotion to duty wins over personal relationship. Such happened in the case of the two friends. Let us see what is going on. The policeman on the beat. The topic starts on after 20 years, and I have informed a short bit of introduction to you before 20 years, and this topic now starts on after 20 years. The policeman on the beat moved up the quiet road smartly. On the beat. On the beat means the policeman is. On the beat means the policeman is in patrolling duty. That is on the duty. On the beat means doing patrol duty of the quiet road. Quiet road. Quiet road means lonely road. Lonely road, smartly. His smartness was habitual, but not for show. Her spectators were few. Spectators means onlookers. देखो वालों, spectators were few. That means the road on which a policeman was moving on was quite lonely, and there were few people. There were not any onlookers. There were few means ସେଠି ରାସ୍ତା एकदम सुनसान थिला रास्तार लोक बाक कहीं नथिले ए सुनसान रास्तार जड़े पुलिसमैन ड्यूटी करते The time was only 10 o'clock at night, but the locality was one that kept early hours and chilly winds and a drizzle had almost depuled the street. Depuled. Depuled means without people. And there were no any person on the road. रास्ता एटे सुनसान थिला लोक बाक कहीं नथिले रास्तार सुनसान रास्तार रात्रि केतलु 10टा थंडालिया पवन बहुची झिपिझिपि वर्षा होची यार भितरे जड़े पुलिसमैन पेट्रोल ड्यूटी कर जो चिल्ली विंड्स एंड ए ड्रिजल हैड ऑलमोस्ट डीप पीपुल द स्ट्रीट ये जो थंडालिया पवन सहित झिपिझिपि जो वर्षा होची यही प्रकार गोटे परिवेश रे कौन सी लोक रास्तार जीवासिया करना एग्जामिनिंग क्लोज्ड डोर्स एज ही वेंट मेकिंग वेरियस इंटरेस्टिंग एंड प्लेफुल मूवमेंट्स with his small stick, the officer with his stalwart figure and smart movements made a fine picture of the guardian of the law. Examining closed doors as he went, making various interesting and playful movements. से पुलिसमैन जन को जाऊे दुई पटे रास्तार जो दुई पटे से टाउन रे दुई पटे जो दुकान घरटा अच्छी सब बंद हो गलानी से बंद होता दुकान घर को देखी देखी आगुचुंट किए पुलिसमैन एग्जामिनिंग क्लोज डोर एज ही वेंट मेकिंग वेरियस इंटरेस्टिंग एंड प्लेफुल मूवमेंट्स विथ हिज स्मॉल स्टिक स्मॉल स्टिक की जो छोट गाड़ी गोटे पुलिस धरती से पुलिस धरिकी हल हल आगू चलुँ विथ हिज स्टालवार्ट फिगर एंड स्मार्ट मूवमेंट्स स्टालवार्ट फिगर Stalwart means strong and stout. Strong and stout और ताको आजाई पारे वेल बॉडी वेल कंस्ट्रक्टेड बॉडी से जो पुलिसमैन जन को जाऊँगी सुनसान रास्तार पेट्रोल ड्यूटी कर गोटे वेल कंस्ट्रक्टेड बॉडी थी सुगठित शरीर मेड ए फाइन पिक्चर ऑफ द गार्डियन ऑफ द लॉ he could see a few lights coming from cigar store, an all-night hotel, and one or two tailoring shops completing the day's work. When he was moving on the lonely road, he noticed that some light was coming from cigar store, an all-night hotel, and one or two tailoring shops completing the day's work. से रास्ता एमती दुई पट दुकान घर मान को देखी जाऊला बेले हठात लक्ष्य कले कि दुकान आगु आसूसी दुकान भर लाइट आसे लाइट कौन ना ये सिगार स्टोर आ गोटे कौन टेलरिंग शॉप एंड ऑल नाइट होटेल राति ऑल नाइट होटेल मीन्स राति सारा खुला रोकवा होटेल आ गोटे हूँ टेलरिंग कंप्लीटिंग द डेज वर्क दिन में कम दिन में टेलर दुकान में बाकी थिवा काम को कंप्लीट कर टेलर दुकान से ही दुकान लाइट आसता द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द हाउसेस वेर बिजनेस प्लेसेस दैट हैड लॉन्ग सीन्स बीन क्लोज्ड रास्ता दुई पटे थी अनेक दुकान घर गुड़ाक अधिकांश घर था दुकान घर गुड़ाक हाउसेस वेर बिजनेस प्लेसेस अनेक अनेक बेलू बंद हो गलानी where scenes had been closed. Now and then he would suddenly turn about and cast his watchful eye along the peaceful road. He was thinking of what his boss had said in the morning. এই ପ୍ରକାର ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଉଥିବା ବେଳେ ବେଳେବେଳେ ବୁଲିକି ଏପଟୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ପୁଣି ସେପଟୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି। ହଠାତ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ବସ୍ ସକାଳେ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ। ବସ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ହିଜ୍ ହାୟର ଅଥରିଟି ଇନ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବସ୍। ତାଙ୍କ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବିଭାଗୀୟ ପୋଲିସ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟର ତାଙ୍କର ଯେ ହାୟର ଅଥରିଟି ସେ ସକାଳେ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ ହଠାତ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା। କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ? ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହାଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ରିଟିନ୍ ୱିଦିନ୍ ଦି ଇନଭର୍ଟେଡ୍ କମା, pale face, square jaw, deep and dark eyes, and a little white scar near the right eyebrow. এই প্রকার গোটে ক্রিমিনালକୁ the policeman was given charge for the enquiry of a criminal. That pale face means the face which contains the brightness, ମଳିନ ମୁହଁ, square jaw, ତାର ଯେଉଁ ଗଠନଟା ମୁହଁର ଗଠନଟା ସ୍କୋୟାର ସାଇଜ୍ର ଥିଲା, ଡିପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାର୍କ ଆଇ, ଆଖି ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିଯାଇଛି, ଏବଂ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା, ଏ ଲିଟିଲ୍ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ସ୍କାର୍ ନିୟର୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଇବ୍ରୋ, ଏ ଲିଟିଲ୍ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ସ୍କାର୍ ନିୟର୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଇବ୍ରୋ, ଆଖି ଡାହାଣ ପଟ ଆଖି ଉପରେ ଆଇବ୍ରୋ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଧଳା ରଙ୍ଗର ସ୍କାର୍ ଥିଲା, ଗୋଟେ ଦାଗ ଥିଲା। এই প্রকার কনଫ୍ୟୁଜନ୍ ଥିବା ଜଣେ ଲୋକକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପୋଲିସ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଜୁଛି। ସେ ଜଣେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ହେଇଥିବ। As a part of the police organization, he felt a little ashamed that the name of his notorious criminal was still unknown. He felt a little ashamed. ସେ ପୋଲିସମାନଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଲାଜ ଲାଗିଲା। କାହିଁକି ଲାଜ ଲାଗିଲା ନା ଇଏ ପୋଲିସ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାକିରି କରିକି ସେ ଜଣେ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର। ଏଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ କୁହାଯାଇଛି, ବଡ଼ିର କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲର ନାଁଟା ହିଁ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏ ନାଁଟା ପଚାରି ବି ନାହାନ୍ତି ହାୟର ଅଫିସର। ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ଇଏ ଭାବିକି ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଲାଜ ଲାଗିଲା। And that he was still at large. Printing counterfeit notes was a serious affair. He knew that the criminal must be caught. Printing counterfeit notes. Counterfeit. Counterfeit note means fake notes or illegal. জাল নোট, জাল টঙ্কা ব্যবসায় যে করতেলা counterfeit was a serious affair and he thought the criminal must be caught. পুলিশ অফিসর ভাবি যাচ্ছেন যে জনে জাল নোট বা ভেজাল টঙ্কা ছাপিবা অপরাধ এটা গোটে সাধারণ অপরাধ নুহ, ইয়ে গোটে ভয়ঙ্কর অপরাধ। তেণু এই প্রকার অপরাধরে যে অভিযুক্ত যে অপরাধী সে নিশ্চিত ধরা পড়া উচিত। He must be caught. He took out of his pocketbook under a lamp post and looked at the $5 note and the reconstructed photograph. Suddenly the policeman went under a lamp post and removed a pocketbook from his pocket. ତାଙ୍କ ପକେଟ୍ରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଡାଇରୀ ତାଙ୍କ ପକେଟ୍ରୁ ବାହାର କଲେ, ବାହାର କରି ଚାଲିଗଲେ ସେ ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପାଖକୁ। ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ, ସେ ଡାଇରୀ ଖୋଲିକି ଦେଖିଲେ କ'ଣ ନା ତା ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ $5 ନୋଟ୍ ଅଛି। ଯେଉଁ $5 ନୋଟ୍ଟା ଫେକ୍ ନୋଟ୍ ଥିଲା, ତାର ଗୋଟେ ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଭାବରେ ସେ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ୍। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା କ'ଣ ନା ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ। ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ ଥିଲା ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ସ୍ନାପ୍ ନିଆଯାଏ, କ୍ୟାମେରା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ସ୍ନାପ୍ ନିଆଯାଏ ତାକୁ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ କୁହାଯାଏ। ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ପେନସିଲ୍ରେ ସ୍କେଚ୍ କରାଯାଏ, ସେ ଫଟୋକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କେଚ୍ କରାଯିବ ପେନସିଲ୍ରେ, ଆଉ ସେଇଟାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ। ଏଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଗୋଟେ ପେପରରେ ସେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲର ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ ଥିଲା। आ गोटे से फेक नोट जो $5 फेक नोट था he became thoughtful. He became thoughtful means he began to think deeply. Chicago, 1,000 miles away, what chance? Then he said to himself, Chicago is 1,000 miles away. There is a distance of 1,000 miles between New York and Chicago. And now the police officer is doing his duty in New York City, but the criminal belonged to Chicago. Then he said to himself aloud, never mind, my boy, you have been a dutiful one these last 18 years, and luck owes you a debt. After some time, the policeman shouted, what chance in catching a criminal, because there is a long distance of 1,000 miles. सेठी से पुलिस अफसर जनक चिंता कर ये कौन आर चान्स अच्छे ना जी धरा केमती धरा पड़ो सी क्रिमिनाल जनक है शिकागो आठी पुलिस ये ड्यूटी कर न्यूयॉर्क मझे रही गोटे 1,000 माइल भितर से अपराधी केमती धरा पड़ो यही प्रकार चिंता करूँ सी सडनली ही कंसोल्ड हिमसेल्फ दैट नेवर माइंड माय बॉय मीन्स he addressed to himself that boy. से तांकर बयस जाऊना कहीं अनेक समय से निजक संबोधन करती माई बॉय तेणु निजक संबोधन निजे निजे से कही होती ड्यूटी यू हैव बीन ए ड्यूटीफुल वन दिस लास्ट 18 years. तो दीर्घ 18 वर्ष धरी तुम ड्यूटीफुल ऑफिसर तेणु तुम चिंता करिया दरकार नहीं कि निश्चित से अपराधी धरा पड़ो आउ तुम धरवे सक्षम हो. He was in the habit of taking to himself sometimes when nobody was by, and he liked to refer to himself as a boy, though he was 40. That means that केही पाखरे नथला बेले से निजको संबोधन करती माई बॉय बोली जदिओ तांकर बयस थिला 40 वर्ष. There was another thing in his mind. He looked at his watch. There was another thing in his mind. Suddenly, and another thought stuck into his mind or took place in the state of his mind. तांका मन रे आउट कथा पसा जतल आउट कथा देखा द्वारा suddenly he looked at his watch. After thinking so much a thing, he looked at his watch. A quarter past 10. 15 minutes more. हठात कौन बोले ना तांका घंटा देखिले टाइम केते ये 10:15. दैट मीन्स 10:15 बाजी आहरी 15 मिनट बाकी अच्छी बोली से चिंता कले. 15 minutes more. It was a long road, but there was enough time. After a minute, he descried about 500 meters ahead the outline of a man near the doorway of a darkened hardware store. After a minute, he described about 500 meters. Described. Describe means saw from distance. दूररू देखा तेणु से हठात दूर देखिपारे केते दूर ना अबाउट 500 meters से 500 मीटर दूर से देखिपारे कौन देखिपारे ना तो आउटलाइन ऑफ ए मैन नियर द डोर ऑफ ए डार्क एंड हार्डवेयर स्टोर. गोटे जड़े कि लोक आउटलाइन ऑफ ए मैन मीन्स जड़े कि मनीष छिड़ा हो मनीष आकृतिर कई जन छिड़ा हो देखा कौट छिड़ा ना इन फ्रंट ऑफ ए डार्क एंड हार्डवेयर स्टोर. से गोटे दुकान था लुहा दुकान जोड़ाक हार्डवेयर स्टोर कह जाए से अंधारिया जगह था सीटा सामने कई जन मनीष आकृतिर कई जन छिड़ा हो देखा. He quickened his steps. He quickened his steps means he moved fast. ସେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଶୀଘ୍ର ପାଦ ପକାଇ ଚାଲିଗଲେ। The place was slightly dark, lying exactly midway between two lamp posts. ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଜାଗାଟା ଥିଲା, the place was slightly dark, ସେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଶୀଘ୍ର ଚାଲି ଆସି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲେ। ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ପରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ସେ ଜାଗାଟା ଟିକେ ସ୍ଲାଇଟଲି ଡାର୍କ, ଅଳ୍ପ ଆଲୁଅ, ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ଛାଇ ଆଲୁଅ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ଲାଇଂ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ମିଡ୍ ୱେ ବିଟୱିନ୍ ଦ ଟୁ ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପୋଷ୍ଟ। ସେ ହାର୍ଡ଼ୱେର୍ ଷ୍ଟୋରଟା ଦୁଇଟା ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ବା ଇଏ ଟାଉନ୍ର ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଥାଏ, ଦୁଇଟା ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ମଝିରେ ସେ ଦୋକାନଟା ଅଛି, ସେ ଘରଟା। He was about to address the man, but changed his mind and allowed the man to begin. He was about to address. He about to address ପରେ ସିଏ ପ୍ରଥମେ ସେଠି ପହଞ୍ଚେଇକି ଯେ ଏଠି କିଏ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି, କାହିଁ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି, ଏମିତି କିଛି କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଚେକ୍ଡ ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ, ଏ ଯେଉଁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲା, କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ, ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଗଲେ। ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହିଜ୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଲାଉଡ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟୁ ବିଗିନ୍। ସେ ନିଜେ ତାଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ, ସେ କିଛି ନ କହି ବନ୍ଦ ହୋଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ସେ ଲୋକକୁ କହିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେଲେ। The man realized that the way he was standing there must look suspicious to one who didn't know his story. The man realized that ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକଟା ସେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିଲା ଅନ୍ଧାରିଆ ଜାଗାରେ, ସିଏ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛି ଯେ he was standing there must look suspicious to one who didn't know his story. ତାମାନେ ସିଏ ସେଠି ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛି ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇକି, ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଅନ୍ଧାର ଜାଗାରେ, ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ଧାରିଆ ଜାଗାରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି, ଅନ୍ଧାର ଜାଗାରେ ମୁଁ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି, ଯେ କେହି ଦେଖିବ ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରିବ, ଗୋଟେ ସନ୍ଦେହଜନକ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ମୋତେ ସେ ଆବିଷ୍କାର କରିବ। କାରଣ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ମୋ କଥା ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ମୋତେ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରିବେ। ସସ୍ପିସିୟସ୍। Suspicious means doubtful, সন্দেহজনক। So he said, as the policeman walked up to him. As the policeman was walked up to him, he ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଲିସ ଜଣକ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଚାଲି ଆସିଲେ, ସେ ଲୋକ ଜଣକ କହିଲେ, It is all right, officer. I am just waiting for a friend. It is an appointment made 20 years ago. It is all right, police officer. It is all right, officer. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ସେ ଲୋକ ଜଣକୁ କହିଲେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଲିସ ଅଫିସର ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ, ସେ ଲୋକ ଜଣକ କହିଲେ, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଅଫିସର, ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛି, ଯେଉଁ ସାଙ୍ଗ ସହିତ ମୋର କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଦୀର୍ଘ 20 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ। It sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I will explain so as to remove all suspicion from your mind. ସେ ଲୋକ ଜଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଟିକେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଶୁଣିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଟିକେ କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ମଜାଳିଆ ଲାଗୁଛି। 20 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହେଇଥିବା କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ, 20 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆସି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛି ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ, ଏଇଆ ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଥିବେ ବୋଧେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇଦେବି କ୍ଲିଅରଲି। About 20 years ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands, Brady's restaurant. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଲୋକ ଜଣକ କହୁଛି ଯେ 20 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ସେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ବ୍ରାଡିଜ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ। ତେଣୁ ସେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନାହିଁ, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ହାର୍ଡ଼ୱେର୍ ଷ୍ଟୋର ଖୋଲା ହେଇଛି। Until 5 years ago, said the officer. ସେ ଲୋକ ଏଇଆ କହିଛି କି ନାହିଁ, ସେ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର କହିଲେ, ଏ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ, until 5 years ago, it was torn down there. ତ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ବ୍ରାଡିଜ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା, ତାକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଆଗଲା। He was about to take the hand of the stranger, but checked himself. ଏତିକି କହିକି ହାତ ବଢ଼ାଉଛନ୍ତି, ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସେକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବୋଧହୁଏ ହାତ ବଢ଼ାଉଥିଲେ ସେ ଲୋକ ଆଡ଼କୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଅଟିଗଲେ। ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଡୋରୱେ struck a match and lit his cigar। ये तो हाथ बଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସେକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅଟିଗଲେ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର। ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକ ଆଗକୁ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସିଗାର ବାହାର କଲେ, ସିଗାର ବାହାରିକି ଦିଆସିଲି ବାହାର କରିକି ଲଗେଇଲା ସିଗାର। ଦ ପୋଲିସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଏ ଚାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ଲୁକ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦ ଫେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍। ଦ ପୋଲିସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଏ ଚାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ଲୁକ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦ ଫେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍। ସେ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର ଜଣକ ଟିକେ ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇଲେ এই ଯେଉଁ ଦିଆସିଲି ସିଗାର ଲଗାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଦିଆସିଲି ଜଳେଇଲେ ସେ ଲୋକ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଦିଆସିଲିର ଆଲୁଅରେ ମୁହଁଟା ଦେଖାଗଲା। ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇଗଲେ କି ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର ସେ ମୁହଁକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ। ଦ ଫେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍। ନା ୟୋର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡସ୍ ହିୟର୍।